Hey everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we're going to connect the bones we created to the layers we designed for the different parts of our character's body so the character can move properly and smoothly. But before we get started, if you're into animation too, make sure to like the video and turn on notifications so you don't miss our uploads. We post a new video every 2 days. To get started, we can pick any of the layers we want. For example, I'm going to choose the top one here and start rigging from there. There are 2 ways to connect a bone to a layer. When a layer only needs to be connected to one bone, we use the bind layer option. For instance, I'm going to connect the first few layers this way. All you need to do is select the layer, click on bind layer, and then click on the bone that should be linked to it. I'm going to repeat this process for the mouth, nose, eyebrows, eyes, and head. Alright, now we're moving on to rigging the arms. And for this we need to use bind points, because this layer has to be connected to multiple bones so the arm can move properly. When the bone is selected, I choose bind points and then select the area where I want the points to follow that bone. Finally, I click on bind points from the top toolbar. I repeat this process for the other bones of both arms and the legs, and if there are not enough points somewhere, we add more points. If any point isn't in the right spot, we just move it to a better position. So for the legs, you can see the points are way above the bones, and that's not good. We need to adjust the position of the points in the design and add points where they're needed. It's as simple as you're seeing in the video, and we do the same thing for both legs. Now it's time to rig the character's hair. We need to know that this should also be done using bind points. The hair should be divided into 2 or more sections depending on how many bones we have, and we connect each group of points to its corresponding bone. Just keep in mind we haven't gotten into advanced rigging yet. We're going step by step so you can build a deeper understanding of animation. Alright, now we're going to test all the parts of the character and check how they move. You'll see it looks much better now and each layer moves without messing up the others. And this is just the beginning of your journey to becoming an animator. So go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of surprises coming your way.